Weekend we are moving to a new place. Hey guys, welcome to another weekend in Bangalore. It's the moving weekend. We are moving to a new place. So I'm just getting ready. We are going out for shopping. Shopping as in ghar ka saman, and I'm very excited. So we are moving to a new house. Describe your new house in 3 words.
Magically, fantabulously, fabulous.
Basically, you understand how we are feeling about the new house, leaving this shitty place. Okay, bye guys. Don't mind my mannerless sister. Done with DMart shopping, now going back home. We have to pack all of this, take it to the new place. This is all what we got. These 2 blanket bags and this balti full of stuff. Okay, it's moving. Jhadu, pillow, etc. I'm going back home. Ready to go. Last night. I'm so tired. Look at the mess. Boxes, everywhere boxes. Another box. Chal, मैं help करती हूँ तेरी.
Yeah, right.
Let me help you. So we went to Healthy and Glow, and this is a quick haul. Neutrogena lip balm, Vaseline lip therapy, rosy lips, Air Shield sunscreen. This is a new brand, Rich. What is the brand name? Rich? Intense moisture conditioner. And which brand is this? Alpha Parf Milano. Detangling fluid. This is not a serum. This is just for detangling. So pretty. This is the secret of our fitness, of her fitness. Anyhow, हम लोग आए हैं यहाँ पे जल, क्या मैं इसका नाम भूल जाती हूँ हर बारी, जलपान, भारतीय जलपान में जलपान करने. हाय मीठी नहीं है तो. Now we are going to Starbucks. कल भी गए थे हम Starbucks. ओ हाँ, कल सुबह गए थे, फिर रात में CCTV गए थे. Oh God.
What are we doing?
What are we doing? मेरी डाइट की बैंड बज गई. Cafe Mocha. Hi guys, good morning. It's Sunday. It's moving day for us. I'm super excited. Finally, we'll be able to get out of this small place and live in a better place, hopefully. Well, we packed 90% of our things last night. Let me quickly show you. So this all mess, random stuff is left. We have these 2 big boxes packed which we got yesterday. Then these are some Amazon orders. We have a mattress, again random bags, random stuff. This bag, we have 3 suitcases, and this carton full of shoes. So abhi it's almost 12 o'clock and we're left with like 10% of our packing. random stuff like kitchen stuff, some random boxes and toiletries, some bags and all as well, like some things which we can't put in the suitcase. So I'm going to get one more box because two boxes come pade. So I'm going to get that box and then we're going to pack the rest of the things in that box. And 2 baje we have a porter coming in. He's going to take all of our stuff and deliver to the new place. So hopefully everything will go well. And now I'm going to get ready and I'll see you guys later.
Porter's here.
Let me quickly share all the details before we start actually moving. ये सब हमारा सामान है. Everything's finally packed. These 2 bags, these 3 suitcases, these 2 random buckets, bag, another bag, 1, 2 and 3 boxes. Those 2 boxes. So this is gonna be taken care by the porter. And we also have this table plus this chair. So this was by Rent Mojo, so they are gonna collect this and deliver it. So hopefully everything's gonna be easy. Sab log ek sath aa gaye. Everyone's late. Now they have come all together. So very excited. Let's do this together. You excited? छोटे वाला सूट कैसे लगा? Blue वाला? Rent Mojo guy is also here to pick up the table and chair. Everything has been delivered to the new place. Only I'm left and they left 2 boxes. Let me show you. सारा सामान मुझे ऑटो में लेके जाना है. These 2 boxes, those 3 bags. They're like really heavy. But you gotta do what you gotta do. Everything is being delivered. Table chair जा चुका है. हमारा सामान जा चुका है. As in our personal stuff. The furniture is now getting delivered. Our house is on the 2nd floor and the stairs are very narrow, and the owner is not owner but owner's mom is like very ew types, if you know what I mean. She's constantly peeking and she's poking her nose. I don't know why, but yes, the stairs are very narrow, so we don't know how the bed and sofa is gonna go up. So we're figuring out that situation, and I'm just standing out waiting for this entire thing to get over. So I'll catch up with you guys later on once I have an update. This is the current situation of the house. The fridge is brand new, which is great. New stove. So pipe finally everything has been delivered and we've moved to the new house. Let me quickly show you all the things. We all rented out this table, bed. This was already there. We have the sofa, center table, TV unit, TV, fridge, microwave, and also we got that washing machine. Everything is like pretty new. Speaker set up. Yummy things inside. लिखा भी नहीं है ये कौन सा बर्गर है. 2 burgers and 1 pasta. First order in our new house because we don't have gas yet. Having it with this spoon because no cutlery in our house. इससे तो उठ ही नहीं रहा. It's impossible to eat with this. Our first dinner. Home cooked fries, shots, coffee. Hi guys, what's up? So today we spent the whole day in this new house. It was our first day. It was Monday, but I took an off because Wi-Fi installed नहीं होता. I couldn't have worked, and रात को we slept really late after unpacking, so I was not able to get up. And then I was just sleeping and chilling. And abhi we are sitting and deciding the menu for the entire week so that we don't have to think about what we need to eat. And everything settled so far. I will give you a quick tour of my house for sure. And yeah, that was all about moving into this new place. Hopefully we'll be having a good time here. And yeah, that's all for this vlog. I hope you enjoyed watching it. Do like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Finally, I have my camera. So this was our little IKEA haul full of disappointment.